Hi guys, this is Waffle.g. So I got another Kinder Joy over here. Yeah. And I'm gonna open it and show you all guys what's in here.
Never opened it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, it just popped open. And yep, this is where the food is, and this of course the spoon.
That bursted out.
Yeah.
It used to be sticked on it.
Yeah, I guess it got a little loose. And now we're gonna see what toy is in here. Let me just open it.
OMG, that's
slime.
Oh,
Oh my god, what is slime doing in here?
Oh, and there's no like instructions.
Why is there slime in here? Oh my god. Ooh.
Slime?
So much slime on my hand. And a bit in here. Wow, isn't that guys great?
And look at this slime color.
And we got it for free, and there's like no and nothing else.
This would be like about $50. I mean, to
Like-
see the color.
Like look, fit, slime, Kinder Joy. Wow.
Wow, don't even make sense.
Okay, guys. Hope you can find another slime in the Kinder Joy. I think it was a mistake or something, because I'm so amazed that slime wasn't a Kinder Joy. I thought it was supposed to be toys.
Yeah, I mean like every Kinder Joy has.
Yeah, now it has like super stretchy slime that is like so pretty. I'm gonna call it Kinder Joy slime. And if you guys find some Kinder Joy slime,
Please tell us in the comments below.
Yeah, because we don't want to be the only one having slime.
Da-na-na, da-na-na,
Okay,
da-na-na.
bye guys.